Trainee Basketball League. Thanks to our sponsors. Smilers Mobile Remittance. Smilers Mobile Remittance. Yeah, oh yeah. Candy Rice and Tree. Candy Rice and Tree. And for snacks, Raiders Buchanan. Smilers Mobile Remittance. It's Raiders Buchanan, Madam Raina Lynn. With our official jerseys, race books and blur. Hey, there you go in the sun.
Ako pala si John Orbita, taga Davao. At saka salamat sa Smile Remittance. Maganda yung ano nila, yung palitan.
Burning in our eyes.
At saka shout out sa Shockwave na team. Sana manalo kami.
By the ones who made it real.
Taga saan ka sa ano dito sa Japan?
Sa Laga Kawaguik ako, si Tama.
Ulit ano nga bang pangalan? June
June
Orbita.
Orbita.
Okay. So shout out sa Shockwave.
Shockwave.
So you are the coach of Shockwave
Oo.
team.
Ako sa team Shockwave, ako yung coach.
Okay, good luck sa team nyo. Thank you,
Okay.
Sir June Orbita.
Ay, thank you rin sa Smile Remittance.
Race books and